Hey everyone, thanks for joining me to talk about how to make the most out of your co-working software demo. You work really hard to set time aside to take a demo of software, and we want to make sure that you show up to the call and get everything you need out of it so that you have the right questions, you know what to ask, and all that kind of good stuff. All right, let's dive right in. So, as a co-working space operator, you're going to be overwhelmed. You have an endless choice of space management software at your disposal, and it can be daunting to determine which one is the right one that aligns with your business. And so we want to help you make the most of that conversation, especially when it might be unclear what you actually need for your space. So once you've done your homework and you've identified what software you want to learn more about, it's time to schedule the demo. Now, you might be able to watch a pre-recorded demo like you can with Coworks, which is a great way to get a guided tour of the software, but of course you can't ask questions. So when you finally decide to get on a call with someone and kick the tires, this is what we want you to do. So let's start by asking, what specific problems does this software solve for a co-working space like mine? This is going to mean you got to do a little homework ahead of time. You need to sit down and write some stuff down. What makes your co-working space different? You're going to know all of this. Who's your target member? What are the special needs that they have? So we use the term co-working to mean any kind of flexible, member-driven space. I mean, we work with companies that include entrepreneurship centers, wet labs, work and childcare operations, social clubs, arts-focused organizations, economic development programs, incubators. The list goes on, and it's bigger every year, which is really exciting for us. So you're going to have very different needs than another space operator. So make sure you know what those are when you go into the conversation. All right, user-friendly. How user-friendly is this software? Look, is it possible that you are a co-working space operator and a software expert? Absolutely, but you don't have to be. It doesn't really matter how many bells and whistles your software management offers if you have no idea how to configure it for your space, how to make it work for you. And not all software companies approach this the same way. Here at Coworks, we have a dedicated onboarding team because we want to get you up and running as quickly and painlessly as possible. We have worksheets, we have templates. We are going to hold your hand through the whole process. We want to get your data uploaded, your plans configured, your resources built out. And we're going to show you how we do it. We're not going to go behind a closed door, get everything set up, and give you the keys to something you don't know how to use. So think about what you spend your time on now. Probably booking and reservations and memberships and billing. Like these are the things that take up the most time. How much time? This is an interesting benchmark to start with. How much time are you spending on these things? And how much time will this software save you? What is your time worth? Like by the hour, either yours or your managers or your staff. And that is going to help you kind of calculate the ROI of this software, is how much time it's going to give you back. So another really important questions to ask is, can the software handle all the different membership types and billing plans that you are going to need for your community? It's got to be flexible and it's got to have a lot of functionality. Again, a little bit of homework ahead of time is going to make this conversation really, really helpful. The more you can document and outline your various membership plans and billing options, the more you can understand upfront if this is the software that you need that's going to give you what you're looking for. So then you got to think about, it's not just membership plans, right? It's not just people getting access to the space. You've probably got other stuff in your space. You have meeting rooms that members and non-members want to book, or you have equipment, you have printers, you have whiteboards, you have standing desks, everything in between. And really, all of that equipment and resources should be tracked and bookable because that's going to give you really, really important data. If you've got this amazing whiteboard that nobody uses, do you need to buy another one? Probably not. But if you find that it's booked every day, day in, day out, your members love it, other than anecdotally telling you they love it, well, you should probably invest in another one. So let's talk about the fact that this software is not going to be the only tool that you're using to manage your space. There is no one software to rule them all out there that's going to do everything you need. You probably want a door access system. You want to have Wi-Fi. You want to use accounting software. You have a CRM or an email marketing platform. And all of these things should work together instead of being in various silos. Coworks and other software options will help you do that. And you need to find out how easy that is, what that process looks like, and which particular platforms the software works with. So I would love to say that all software is going to be perfect, but things are going to happen that we didn't expect, that you didn't see coming, and you want to know that you can get a response. So it's important to ask, hey, do you have a dedicated software support team? Where are they based? And what kind of response time can I expect when I need help with something? So those are important questions to ask. Just so you know, Coworks is based in the US and we respond within the business day. So that's enough for now. Those are great questions to go into any co-working software space demo with and to get the information you need to make a decision about your space. And, at the end of the day, we want to know that you're going to consider Coworks for your options. Thanks a lot. See you next time.